I'm here today with Liv Ayur to discuss 5 effective yoga asanas to treat PCOS and hormonal imbalance. To begin, polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS is the most common female reproductive disorder. Women with PCOS may have irregular periods and excess male hormones levels. The ovaries may develop numerous small collection of fluid follicles and fail to regularly release eggs. PCOS involves multiple systems affecting 7 to 10% of the women. According to Ayurveda, the Ahara factor, diet, Vihara factor, day sleep and overnight work, lack of meditation and exercise, and Mansik factor like sedentary lifestyle and psychological factors play important roles in the manifestation of PCOS. These factors lead to the vitiation of Vata Kapha dosha, converted into Vata Kapha Artav Dushti or Granthi Bhut Artav. Faulty food habits like adhyasan, viruddha ahar and the popularity of fast foods lead to the production of ama, which starts the pathogenesis of obesity. Lack of exercise, day sleep and overnight work promotes fat accumulation, depression, ultimately converted into Vata Kapha Artav Dushti PCOS. Common symptoms of PCOS include oligomenorrhea and amenorrhea, irregular menstrual periods, cycles that do occur may be heavy, infertility due to anovulation, dyspareunia, painful coital act, prolonged periods of PMS like symptoms, bloating, mood swings, pelvic pain, backache, hirsutism, unwanted body hair, typically in a male pattern, affecting the face, chest and legs, androgenic alopecia, male pattern baldness, acne, oily skin, pigmentation and seborrhea, acanthosis, dark patches of skin tanned to dark brown or black, a sign of insulin resistance which is associated with PCOS. The science of yoga works at the root cause of PCOS like stress and obesity caused due to hormonal imbalance. Yoga goes beyond the physical body level. It helps dig out and release deeply stored stress in the system. This helps improve PCOS symptoms. Yoga is a psychosomatic spiritual discipline for achieving union and harmony between our mind, body and soul. This can be achieved by practicing specific techniques such as yogic Shuddhi Kriya like Kapalbhati, Dhoti, Noli, Basti, yoga postures, asanas, breathing techniques, pranayam, meditation, dhyan. Documented scientific evidences strongly indicates that yoga has preventive as well as curative potential. Let us begin the countdown of 5 poses or yoga asanas designed specifically for PCOS. 1. Baddha Konasana, the butterfly pose. It works wonderfully for treating PCOS naturally. This pose resembles with butterfly. It targets the pelvic region and helps stimulating ovaries and uterus. Second, Vipreet Shalabhasana, the Superman pose. It is one of the best yoga pose for PCOS. The most vital function of Vipreet Shalabhasana is to regulate blood flow in the reproductive organs. Third, I will mention Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. This pose is beneficial for women with PCOD as it stimulates the abdominal region and massages the reproductive organs. Fourth, Malasana, garland pose. This yoga asana provides an amazing stretch to the groin area, opening the hips, It can benefit in PCOD by increasing blood circulation to the pelvic region. Fifth, Dhanurasana, bow pose. It is a best pose to reduce body fat and weight as it stretches the abdominal muscles to the fullest of its strength. It strengthens the reproductive organs and helps to regulate the menstrual flow. Except these 5 asanas, specifically I will mention about Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, it is an ancient yogic method to worship the sun and consists of series of postures or asanas with breathing patterns. It balances the whole endocrine system by direct massaging of glands and increasing blood flow to organs, thus regularizing the menstrual cycle. Sun salutation significantly decreases blood sugar levels, increases insulin sensitivity, improves lipid profile and results in weight reduction, improved BMI and low waist hip ratio. Yoga therapy focuses on the energy system present in the body with numerous chakras. Yoga poses like forward bending and backward bending increase the energy flow in second chakra, sacral chakra, called as seat of creation, where reproductive organs are present. Yoga stretches the abdominal region, which increases blood flow towards reproductive organs and relieves any kind of tension around reproductive organs. Yes, there is pranayama, breathing techniques and yogic shuddhi kriya. One can adhere to the following breathing techniques to relieve PCOS. Pranayama, it is a control of breath. Prana is vital energy and ayam, it means control. Practicing pranayama techniques regularly increases lifespan and maintains health by controlling the processes. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. This breathing technique purifies the subtle energy channel, nadis, thus enabling a smooth flow of vital energy, prana. It calms the mind and body by relieving stress. Bhramari pranayam technique to relieve mental tension, agitation and stress. Researchers have proved that practicing Bhramari regulates the normal functioning of the endocrinal system. Controlled breathing techniques tone up the nervous system, improve emotional stability, eliminate anxiety, improve self-esteem and increase insulin sensitivity. Kapalbhati Shuddhi Kriya. Kapal means forehead and Bhati means shining. This is basically a type of Shatkriya, which is a technique of body cleansing. Kapalbhati is a technique that involves rapid breathing technique, also known as an automatic inhalation technique. It is a form of abdominal respiratory autonomic exercise. It increases blood circulation to organs, increases BMR, tones abdominal muscles and reduces abdominal fat. Hyperinsulinism and impaired glucose tolerance are treated by long-term practice of Kapalbhati. Yoga is a holistic science and art of living. This is because yoga asanas, pranayama, breathing techniques and kriyas, cleansing exercises prescribed in yoga helps to tone up the whole system. Ayurveda enables you to live your everyday life without hindrances with natural remedies that can be found in your kitchen or are easily available in the market. Click on the link in the description to access more Ayurvedic related content and for more Ayurveda hacks. Keep watching me with Live Ayur. Thank you.